Hey guys, what's up? So, I've been having this problem, first major problem with this thing, 2017 Honda Rancher 420. So, down in my diff, I don't know if you can really see that, but there's like, when I put it in four-wheel drive and hit any motor at all, it just starts like clicking really bad. And not just one of my CV shafts, you hear that? But both of them are loose. So I'm pretty sure there's something going on in my diff. And I heard that Hondas are really bad with diffs, but I didn't really think that I'd have a problem already on a 2017 four-wheeler. This thing's got let's see, 792 miles on it, so almost 800 miles. And I'm sure they'll charge me, like if I take it to the dealer, they'll probably charge me like a lot for it. So if anybody knows what's wrong, please let me know, because it'd be way better if I fixed this myself than took it into the dealer and paid $300. So that's all for today, guys. Make sure to subscribe.